Imagine a world where medical knowledge transcends borders. Welcome to Intelli-ClinX, India's premier program connecting international medical graduates with hands-on clinical experience in top hospitals. Intelli-ClinX offers immersive one-year internships for medical, dental, and allied health students. Students gain real-world exposure, sharpen clinical skills, and bridge global medical education with India's healthcare ecosystem. Key benefits of Intelli-ClinX: hands-on experience in accredited Indian hospitals. Structured, module-based learning with flexible credit transfers. Access to remedial lessons for any missed or unclear topics. Exposure to diverse medical practices and patient demographics. Through Intelli-ClinX, we connect students, universities, and healthcare institutions globally. This is IntelliSmart Edge Innovation, designed to empower students while enabling hospitals to nurture future-ready clinicians. Are you an international medical graduate ready to expand your horizons? Explore, learn, and transform your career with Intelli-ClinX. Apply now and step into a world of opportunities in India. Intelli-ClinX, where global talent meets India's clinical excellence. Join the journey. Discover your edge.